CleverReach email marketing tool full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description below. CleverReach is a robust email marketing platform that combines simplicity with powerful features, making it ideal for small to medium-sized businesses, e-commerce stores, and marketers looking to engage their audience through personalized email campaigns. One of its key strengths is its user-friendly interface, which allows users to easily design, send, and manage email campaigns without the need for extensive technical expertise. The drag-and-drop editor is intuitive, and the platform provides a variety of customizable templates so you can create visually appealing emails quickly. CleverReach stands out for its excellent automation capabilities. With features like autoresponders and behavior-based automation, you can send tailored messages based on your subscribers' interactions with your emails or website. This level of personalization helps increase engagement and conversion rates. Additionally, CleverReach offers segmentation and advanced targeting options, allowing you to segment your audience based on various factors, such as location, behavior, and purchase history, ensuring your emails are highly relevant to each recipient. The reporting and analytics features are also robust, providing insights into open rates, click-through rates, bounce rates, and more, so you can track your campaign's performance and optimize for better results. However, while CleverReach is highly capable, it's not without its drawbacks. The platform's pricing can be on the higher side for smaller businesses, especially if you have a larger email list or need advanced features. Furthermore, some users have reported that the learning curve for the more advanced automation features can be a bit steep, although the support team is responsive and helpful. Overall, CleverReach is a solid choice for businesses looking for a powerful email marketing solution with great automation, segmentation, and reporting tools, but its pricing structure may make it less suitable for those just starting out or on a tight budget.